name is Michael Rojic. I'm head of sales and marketing over at Adrim Software. Adrim Software is a company out of Krakow, Poland, founded in 1997. We make network monitoring software for small to medium-sized enterprises. We're over here at IP Expo in London with our UK partner Stack Group, who are our authorized reseller in the United Kingdom. And what we're doing here is we're unveiling NetCrunch 9, the newest version of our network monitoring suite. NetCrunch is an all-in-one network, server, application, log, file, and web monitoring suite. It runs on Windows Server, which can be on a virtual machine, and requires 4 gigabytes of RAM and 4 cores. We target to small and medium-sized enterprises and people who are focused on automating as much of the network monitoring process as possible. One of the cool things that we do is based on certain alerts that might come to you. Instead of just getting an SMS or an email, what we can do is restart a service if it goes down. If that service is still down after 5 minutes, we can reboot the machine, and afterwards, if that still hasn't fixed it, then we're going to come in and send you an email. There's really 2 ways you can do it. One way is, of course, to run it yourself. It's very easy to use. Like I said, it's automated. So this is something that 1 or 2 engineers can use to monitor and take care of an entire network that's hundreds or even thousands of nodes. On the other side, we do have MSPs that are also using our software, and what they're doing is they're using NetCrunch to remote in to their customers and using NetCrunch to monitor there. It's critical to have a network monitoring solution like NetCrunch because uptime is very important. The longer that your device is and your hardware is down, the less that your employees are working, and that's money out of your pocket. So if you have something like NetCrunch, you'll be alerted not when something goes down, but you can even be alerted before something goes down, and we can fix it for you automatically to maximize your uptime as much as possible. When it comes to alerts, what NetCrunch can do is close alerts by correlation. So for example, if processor time is over a certain point, if it goes back down over that, it's going to be closed by correlation. So it's not going to be flashing at you as something that needs to be taken care of. It's going to be in the log, you're going to get reports on it, but you're only going to be alerted when you look over at the screen on stuff that's actually happening and currently needs your attention. NetCrunch is a very, very efficient installation that we have here. A single server installation that we require 4 gigabytes of RAM and 4 cores for can be on a virtual machine. In fact, our entire development lab and testing lab is all virtualized, so there is no performance degradation on a virtual machine. On top of that, we recommend about 3,000 or 4,000 nodes per single server installation, which is going to come out to about 80,000 sensors. However, we have real-life installations right now running 150,000 sensors, and in the lab we're at 300,000. The licensing structure of NetCrunch is actually very efficient. We're completely node-based with no limits on the number of sensors, elements, apps, or counters, or anything like that. You're only going to be licensed by number of monitored nodes. And what we have is 50, 125, 300, 600, 1,000, 2,000, and an unlimited node license. So one node is going to be one 48-port switch, or it's going to be one server, or it's going to be one endpoint, and there's an unlimited number of things that you can monitor on each node, and it only counts as one node. So we use a NoSQL database for our performance monitoring data, and there is no limit on the size or length of time you're holding your data, and there is no separate licensing or hardware requirements for that. You just give us the hard disk space, and you can store it as long as you like. IP Expo London has been a fantastic show, and it's been a fantastic unveiling of our new NetCrunch 9 product. We've had people almost non-stop coming and checking us out for a presentation. One of the big things that people really enjoy is the new GUI that we have. It's very efficient. We have a multi-screen setup that's available. We also have a Grafana fork that we now is going to be available for you to use as well. Adrim Software has partnerships with Cisco, with VMware, and with Microsoft. And out of the box, we support hundreds of popular hardware and software solutions. If people are interested, they should go to www.adrimsoft.com and download our trial. It comes with a 30-day license, which has no limit on the number of nodes being monitored, and it includes tech support and installation assistance. So if someone really wants to get some help, we can set up a free tech webinar live, and one of our technicians is going to go in, help you set it up on your own network to create a proof of concept.